Hello everyone, I'm Nasti and today I'm gonna teach you Bachata lady styling. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the legs, with the right basic, because we're ladies and we're always right. So let's start with the right leg, okay? Our legs will go basic, 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 basic. Then we will do tap and step, tap, okay? But what I want you to do is when you do the tap, all the body will react to it, okay? So you do tap and you relax your body. So it goes 1, okay? So what I'm doing, I'm stepping and I'm literally pushing the ground, okay? So while you step, your body, upper body, reacts and goes this way, okay? This side relax, okay? Bam, okay? Let's try with the basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, tap. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's add the hands, okay? The hand will go right hand, right leg, left hand, left leg, okay? So go touch, touch, then right hand goes forward and opens in the palm up, okay? This way, palm. And then left hand opens the same, from here up, okay? And then we go in, here, and one finger, switch, 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 switch. Okay, again, just the hands. We go touch, touch, forward, forward. We go in, as here, in. Then, as our hands get this position, right? We turn them like this, okay? Like this we turn, and once we get this position, okay, once we get this position, we go finger by finger, okay? Like this, one finger, another. Make sure that when you touch yourself, sounds great, okay? You have to straight your fingers, okay? Don't do like this. This looks very bad, okay? So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will go to our face, okay? Let's try to connect it with our legs, slowly, 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 okay? So we go basic, basic, open, open, and now once we will do the touch, okay? We will do our hands in and here. Imagine like you want to grab something, okay? So go boom, boom, to yourself. And then tap, tap. Okay, I will go backward. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, slowly, slowly. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, make sure once you do the touch that you relax all your body, and not only the upper body but the head too, okay? So we go here, there, bam, we close our legs, don't do like this, okay? We close our legs and then we go step, tap, okay? One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's move again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's do a bit faster and then we will go with music. Okay, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go basic. Again, basic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic, 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 and basic, basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,